Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you ocean waves stitch. That's not my design. I found it on YouTube and I thought it's a little complicated. I changed it a little bit and I want to share it with you like that. I hope you like it. I will use these two colors of yarn, kartopu, lake color. You can use any kind of yarn you choose. And I will use 6mm crochet hook. If you are ready, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and let's start. I made a scarf with this pattern and it's actually a long scarf. It's almost 2 meters and I like it very much. It's one of the best things I've ever made for myself, I think. But you can use this for your blanket too, with a yarn like that, thick yarn like that. You can make it easily. Then I want to start with multiples of 32 chain plus 2 chain. I made 34 chain. Skip this first chain and into that next one make a single crochet and make 4 more time. Totally it will be 5 single crochet. I complete it. Yarn over, skip that 1 chain and into that chain make a half double. Yarn over and pull it through from both loops. Yarn over again and into the next chain make a double crochet. Yarn over twice into that chain, make a treble crochet. 1, 2 and 3. Yarn over, make a double crochet. Yarn over, make a half double. And skip the chain, 1 chain. Make 9 single crochet. 1, 2, and that's 9. Yarn over, skip 1 chain, make a half double. Into that next chain, make a double. Next chain, make a treble. A double and a half double crochet. Skip that one and make 5 single crochet. 2, 3, 4 and 5. We start with only 32 plus 2 chain, so there will be 2 waves, and between these waves, if you want to make it bigger, between these waves always make 9 single crochet. Only starting and finishing will be 5 single crochet. Okay? Chain 1, turn, make 3 single crochet starting from the first stitch we made. 1, 2 and 3, chain 1, yarn over, skip 2 stitches and make a double crochet into that third stitch. You see, that was the half double we made before. Chain 1, make a double, chain 1, make a double, chain 1, a double, chain 1, and last double into that half double. Again, chain 1, skip 2 stitches and make 5 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Chain 1 again, skip 2 stitches, make 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet, chain 1, and that's the last one. Chain 1 again, skip 2 stitches and make 3 single crochet. 2, 3, and that's the second row. For the row 3, chain 1, turn your work, make a single crochet here. Don't forget to make this one yarn over, skip 2 stitches and make double crochets into that first hole. 1 and 2 double crochet. Skip the next skip this double crochet and make 2 double crochet into that next hole. Skip that double crochet again, make 3 double crochet into that hole. That's 1, 2 and 3. We will not skip this. We will make a double crochet into that stitch and make 3 double crochet into that hole. 1, 2, 3. Skip that one. 2 double crochet and skip these 2 double crochet. Skip 2 single crochet, make a single crochet, and we will make it again. Yarn over, 2 double, two double again, three double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 1 double crochet here, 3 double crochet, 3, 2, with 2. Skip 2 stitches, make a single crochet. Chain 1 and turn, Starting from the first stitch, we will make single crochets. You will have 33 stitches again, just like the starting. I will just make single crochet all the stitches. Just follow here like that and see you. I'm at the last single crochet and I will change my color. I will start for a single crochet like that. Don't complete it. We will complete it with new color. Chain 1. We will actually start with 4 chain. I made 1 and add 3 more. That's our first treble. Yarn over, skip that one. We made a treble here, and into that second one make a double. Yarn over and make a half double. Skip 1 stitch, make single crochets. Totally 9 single crochets. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Yarn over again, skip that one, make a half double, make a double, yarn over twice and make a treble here. Make a double again and a half double. Just skip one, make 9 single crochet again. That was 9. Skip 1, make a half double, double crochet and treble crochet. Chain 4 again. 3 of them is a double crochet and one chain hole. Make a double crochet here, chain 1, make a double crochet, chain 1, skip 2 and make 5 single crochet. 3, 4, 5. Chain 1, skip 2 into that half double stitch, make a double, chain 1, one more, chain 1, one more, make it 5 times. I made it 5 times and chain 1. Maybe you heard my daughter screaming. She's watching Dora the Explorer. I think she's too old for it, but I wouldn't mind. If she didn't mind, I wouldn't mind. Just skip 2 and make 5 single crochet, chain 1, skip 2 and make a double, chain 1, double, chain 1 and make a double here, chain 3, turn That's the one double crochet we will make into that double. Okay, now we will make 3 double crochet, skip that one, 2 double crochet, skip here, 2 double crochet, skip 2, make a single crochet, yarn over, make 2 single crochet, double crochet, of course, and I need a little help with my yarn. Two double crochet, 3 double crochet, 3, make a double crochet here, 3, 2, 2 again. I will skip 2, make a single here, and make 2, 2, 3 double crochet, and make 1 from this 3rd stitch. I will complete it like that. Chain 1, turn, and make single crochets all the way along. Don't forget to put a single crochet here, okay, into that 3rd chain, and you will have 33 stitches again. I will complete it and turn. I'm at the last one. Take the yarn. Now we will change the color again. Chain 1, and we are at the beginning. Now I will show you one more time. Just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 single crochet, yarn over, skip that 2, oh sorry, not 2, 1, skip 1, half double, double, treble, double, and half double, skip that one, make 9 single crochet. And we will keep doing like that. I'll show you. I hope you like it. I choose these colors, but you can use blue and white or blue and gray. It's looks like more ocean like that. You can even make a poncho or cardigan with this stitch. And if you want to make a scarf like this, you can make fringe like that. Just cut the yarn and I will show you. Just hold the yarn like that, insert your hook as stitch, take the yarn and make a tie like that. So easily you can make fringe and use it for the scarf. That's it for today. You can reach me on my Instagram address Siri's Crochet. If you like, don't forget to push the like button please, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll wait for your comments. Hope to see you again. Have a nice day.